I got a fun quick one for today. I found a video on YouTube from Anthony, Shoeshine Johnny, on his version of the Smart Woodshop. And not only does he have that, and he gives a in-depth tour. It's like a 25, 26-minute video. I watched the whole thing beginning to end. And I recommend you do the same. Don't hurry through it. Watch it, because he reveals some little designs of his, some tools that you can build that'll really help in your efficiency. This guy is a man after my own heart, you know, efficient, clean, recognizes the importance of being lean and efficient, and he shares that with you. So I'm going to give you a little peek of his video, and I'm not stealing his video. I'm pushing you toward his video. I'm going to put a link to it down below. I just want to whet your appetite so you'll know you can get a good in-depth tour of somebody else's smart wood shop, you know, went in a different direction, which I love. I love that creativity. I think that carpenters by nature are creative, and I love to see solutions that are different than mine, because I don't know everything, and I know that two people can go into a situation and have equally valid solutions to a problem that they are in the same room at the same time under the same lighting conditions, and yet they choose different solutions. And it's really interesting to see that and to add it to our wealth of knowledge. It's kind of the community that I want to see built here on my channel, but on YouTube in general. And notice too, on my channel, if you go there, I put links to channels that I like. So I think I'll put his on there as well. He's not as prolific as I am, but you know, he said at the end of the video, he sort of does videos on what inspires him in the moment. So he's not out there doing YouTube as a job. He just like has an idea and just loves taking the time to share. So here's the video. I'm going to go ahead and roll, let you see it a little bit, and then I'm going to jump ahead and record a little bit more, and then I'll edit it all down so it'll be a little short clip. Again, I just want to whet your appetite. And again, it is, he's already had 188,000 views. So he's got, this video obviously is popular, and over 3,300 likes. So that'll show you that it is a video worth watching.
I'm going to give you a tour of my Paulk style mobile tool trailer. So as a remodeling contractor, I have found this trailer very useful, and I use it to the best of my ability. I'm always tweaking it. Actually, I just tweaked some this morning. So myself, I've built 4 total trailers. I always knew there was something better out there, and so I started looking around. Then YouTube came around, started looking on there, and I found Ron Paulk's channel. From there, I then went and built 2 more exactly like number 2 for my father and another friend of ours. And we all 3 worked together. LED lights, just got them on Amazon. They come 10 in a row, and I cut them apart and put them on 3 on each rafter. Connected to this motion detector. I have it set so that it goes off in about a minute after it stops seeing any motion, so that I can walk in and out. Lights are automatically turned on and off without me having to worry about the battery going dead. Those are really bright at night. Reverse camera right here that I put on. That is worth its weight in gold, and it's just a cheapy $20 license plate backup camera. All my clamps in it, and these are just L-shaped bracket. PVC is so versatile. I actually have my camera stabilizer that is being used right now is made out of PVC, and it's just got one of these on it, and my microphone connects to that. And a charger. I actually just put this in this morning with the PVC hold down, and I went with PVC to try it. It works pretty good. I went with 250 feet of Flexzilla. I came up with this on my own. After I built it, I looked it up to see if anybody else had already built something like this, and there was one guy that had built something similar, but not exactly. And so this is how it works. Flip it back here, hook it right there. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 hooks. I can put cords, hoses, different things like that on, whatever I need to put on there, and it folds out of the way when I need it to. So you'll have to custom fit it to your own ladders. Because I'm like Ron, I hate a toolbox. I hate a tie down. I wanted to show you this cord slash hose holder. And here's how it works. So thanks again to Ron for sharing his ideas and putting them out there on YouTube. I couldn't have done it without you. Maybe would have come up with something half as good. But I do appreciate everything you've done for the woodworking community and for the remodeling community as far as being efficient and just preaching that being efficient will get you way more work than it will ever cost you. And like you said, take the 2 or 3 weeks to build your trailer and you'll get that back way before the end of the year. And I've had a lot of customers that said, hey, people want to know about this.
I hope that peek at Anthony's trailer will encourage you to go over there and take a look. Be sure to watch the video end to end. There's a lot of little jewels in there that I think will help. Also, be sure to give him a comment, just a quick, hey, thanks for doing this, a thumbs up, encourage him, because I think his head is going to be full of great ideas to help us all. So encourage him to make more videos and show us more what he's doing and how he uses those tools. When I find these videos and I share them with you, if you find that helpful, be sure to give me a thumbs up and a comment in this video to encourage me to continue making these videos, sharing them. Also, you can come over to thesmartwoodshop.com and find out what we're doing over there, as well as visit my store and support the channel. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Woodshop. Have a great weekend.